Yung gagaling saan? Oh my goodness. Kapagit sang aking namamatian na. Aking sinta, ikaw mo ang tahanan. Yes, to the power of every such. You can do so much. Thank you for the thumbs up. I love you like you do. I love her like you do. Hi everyone. Thank you for the thumbs up. Yeah. Hi guys. Thank you for joining guys. Good morning. How are you? Have for two people here now. Saan yung iba? What are you waiting for? Love me like you do. Love me like you do. Love me like you do. And Idol ng Pinas. Hi, good morning, Mom. Hi, Idol ng Pinas. Good morning po. Hi. Salamat po sa pag-join, Idol ng Pinas. Where are you from? Salamat po sa pagpunta. Sa sa dumaan. Thank you. Sa tumatambay. Salamat. Sa napapadaan, please give the thumbs up naman. Taga saan ka, ma'am? Bicol po. B-I-C-O-L, Bicol po. Bicolana. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Down thumbs up, ma'am. Thank you po. Thank you, Idol ng Pinas. Idol ng Pinas, saan ka sa Pilipinas? Po. Ay, sorry. Zamboanga del Norte, ma'am. Okay. Nice to meet you po, Idol ng Pinas. Through the light, through the color of the morning such. Hello, beautiful. Hi, William Lafferty. Thank you for joining po. Hi. Welcome back again. Thank you for the thumbs up. Wait lang. Wait guys, I'm just wait lang. Wait. Hi, Salvi Vlog. Good morning, Dan Tamsak, ma'am. Thank you po. Thank you. Thank you, Idol ng Pinas. Nandito si Father. Says, hi, Salvi. My father and the brother.
Nani?
Nakalive. Brother!
Kamu yung helmet. Badi, madali ka naman. Ang pulis. Hoy, pagod ako nagali mo sa kanila. Pagkasulot mo sa helmet mo. Yung kara mo dito sa isulot. Ano yan?
Wala, nakalive ako. Adi si Banay Bastion. Nag-game mode. Hi, sis!
Ay man.
My father, our father, beloved father.
Ano ba ma-emote?
Brother, the sister, me. The father.
Ito bakit mamay ay itago mo tabi ito na wala sa libuda.
Sika, sika. Cha, cha. Hi, Rodrigo. Welcome back. You're too busy. Huh? Good morning, my... Good morning. You're so busy, Rodrigo, huh? What happened to you? Thank you for the thumbs up, everyone here. Thank you for joining. How are you, Rodrigo? Good night there in Brazil. Hi, father-in-law. Thank you, my dad. Father-in-law. Playing. The weather here now, sunny. The weather is sunny now. Hello, Tim. Where's Tim? Hi, Tim. How are you? I'm fine. Manibasyon. Nag-ano baga? Musta naman kayo dyan, sis? Okay naman. Tell her I'm next for eye drops. Tell her, okay. Okay. Long time. Passing by to say good morning. Thank you, Rodrigo. Good morning here in the Philippines and good night there in Brazil. Yes, Brazil time dinner invited you. Thank you. Like and subscribe, friends. Thank you, Rodrigo. To click on screen like of game, very easy. Very easy, very easy. So easy. Hello Tim. Hello Tim. Hello my friend from Rodrigo. Hi. Mainit. Muulan, umiinit. Ayan. Naulan, nainit. Salvi, hello my friend from Rodrigo. Have to go now, okay, little angel Filipina. Welcome to Brazil always. Thank you, Rodrigo. Thank you so much, Rodrigo. God bless. Good night there in Brazil. Hi, Rodrigo from says Salvi. Hugs from Brazil, everyone from Rodrigo. Thank you, Rodrigo. Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Beautiful as always. Thank you, Rodrigo. Thank you so much. Holy night, silent night. Idol ng Pinas. Hi! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas, everyone. Pa-jacket naman, ma'am. Yes, pa-jacket po. Wala ka duty, sis. Wala, pahinga muna ako for today's ganap. No idol, no idol. See you later. See you later, girl, cute Filipina. Thank you, Rodrigo. Walang duty. Don't forget like my friends. Okay, please, she deserve. Thank you. Thank you, Rodrigo. Oh my gosh. Good night there. Good night. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas. Good morning. Christmas na ang music nyo dyan, maungani. Christmas na. Merry Christmas, everyone. Sayaw-sayaw na lang. Sayaw natin yung ano. Kawaraon. I heard it to Sylvie. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, everyone. Pa-shoutout, Ma'am Boy Burangot Vlog. Hi! Shout out, Boy Burangot Vlog. Hello! Shout out, Boy Burangot Vlog. Shout out to you, Boy Burangot Vlog. Who the hell is playing Christmas music now? The outside, the neighbor playing outside. Too loud. Too loud, the music. Okay. Christmas is, Christmas feels na. Merry Christmas, everyone. Babar Kenjay. Hi, Babar Kenjay. How are you? English Idol. Babar, hello, Babar. Bonus English. Bar, not bonus. While playing Christmas music now. Yes, because it's I know you know what September is beginning of Christmas here in the Philippines. Philippines is the longest celebrate for Christmas, you know. Start September. Oh my god, yes. Only here in the Philippines. September is considered we're playing Christmas song. The spirit of Christmas is coming. The way was best there's still so fast. Hey, jingle bells. Jingle near the end of November, this day start. Yeah, but here September starts September. Christmas feels. Christmas is coming. They call it oh September. Christmas is coming. Celebrate. They playing music. Yeah, something like that. Hey, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Don't. Why don't? Don't what don't? Just don't. Okay. What don't? What don't? Don't do it. Sing. Jingle bells, jingle. Don't sing. I don't sing. I want to sing. Even the music is we're not the music is not cooperate, but I love to sing. Anything but Christmas song is okay. The Christmas. Because oh, don't do it. what? What are you saying? Tomorrow never comes. Someone to say I love her. Me playing there. Let's again. my god, what happened? I fell sleepy again. Parang kailangan. We need to do live together. Yes. I need to live longer. Yeah. Hi, Shrechar Gautam. Hi. Where are you from? Shrechar. We are. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. You, where are you from? Shredhar. 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 Ulit. Philippines. Yes. Are you Filipino? I'm from Philippines. Hmm. Ah. No. Where are you from? You look foreigner. Can you share a WhatsApp number? No, I have no WhatsApp number. Shred, how old are you? How old are you, Shred? Shred, Shred. I have no WhatsApp. Agito, no, please. I have no Shred. No WhatsApp. Sorry, Shred. Why you want to why you want to why you asking me my WhatsApp? Why? Tell me why I'm not in to you. I know that you say that way. Tell me why. Shred, how old are you, Shred? Sakit naman po ako. Oh my God. Shred, how old are you? Darating ang mga sabi gagawin sa unang dalawa. How old are you, Shred? Hi, Donnie. Welcome back, Donnie. How are you, Donnie? Hello, beautiful lady. It's been a long time, Donnie. He looks young on his profile picture. Ah, okay. He looks young. He looks foreigner. Maybe he's from American, I think. He's American. I don't know, but it's something like that. Maybe India. Ah, okay. I'm fine. How are you doing today, darling? I'm doing live. After live, I'm going to sleep. After live, I pay the electric bill. USA. USA. Okay, that's great. Ah, yes, yeah, you're from USA, Donnie the Halcom. How much is it this month? Like 1,000. Wait lang. 1,430. Wait lang. Wait lang. Yes. 1,000. 1,430 and 23 cents. Almost 1,500. Okay. Oh my god. I see it. I need to pay it because the deadline is last week. What is the deadline? The deadline September 12. Oh my god. September 12 the deadline. My gulay. Late pay. That was yesterday. September 12, Friday. I need to pay this day. I need to pay today. Why are you late paying it? I late say this because maybe the bill. I just say this wait, Friday night, I think, Friday afternoon. No office at Saturday and Sunday. That's why I need to pay this morning. Yeah. Okay. Stop showing it here. Okay. Okay. Good morning, my friend. Hi, Isaac 5, Isaac 4. Ay, Isaac V. Mali. How are you guys? Donnie said he loves me. He loves me? Why he loves me? I love you, darling, baby, sweetheart. Ah, why you say that? You were right, 5. Ah, okay, the 5. Read it. Ah, yeah, I read it. Danog. I love you, darling baby sweetheart. Also, darling baby sweetheart. Oh, they call it. I do. Why you say that, Donnie? Maybe I'm older than you, Donnie. You calling me auntie, sister? Oh, raining here now again. Hit it. Tell me what you do and the we go. I love the ladies. I'm not ladies. I'm already a woman. I'm not the girl. Not not yet ladies. This time, a moment like a time. Ladies and gentlemen, oh my god. Aray ko. Just- Bye guys. I love you. See you later. Bye.